Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting an image with a distinct subject and minimal clutter, so the icon reads at small sizes. Once chosen, open your editor and crop to a 1:1 square. This keeps proportions consistent across platforms. Make sure to export a PNG at 1024 x 1024 to preserve sharpness, and rename the file without spaces so automated tools don't fail. Keep a backup copy of the original in case you need to revert or create variations later. Now refine the image so it reads at icon sizes. Boost contrast, apply light sharpening, and denoise. These steps preserve recognition when small. Once done, add safe margins so key elements aren't cut off by rounding or padding. Make test exports at 48, 72, and 180 pixels to verify legibility. Then export a set of sizes: 48, 72, 180, 512, 1024, and prefer PNG for raster or SVG if you can supply it. Finally, install the icon on your platform. On iOS, use a shortcut to set a custom icon or include it in your app's asset catalog. On Android, drop PNGs into the appropriate mipmap * folders or create adaptive icon layers with foreground and background. Make sure file names and scale factors match platform expectations. If the icon appears cropped or blurry, recheck the 1:1 aspect ratio, verify exported pixel sizes, and clear the launcher or app cache. This usually resolves stale images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.